Many of you asked me about how to fix the network drivers, or the network card on the computer or laptop. So today we will give you 4 solutions to solve the problem of the device not being connected to the internet. And these 4 methods work for all Windows systems. So make sure to like the video and let's get started. For devices that support Wi-Fi, first we go to this PC. Select it with one click, then right-click on it, and after that, choose Manage. After that, Device Manager will open. One of the important options we have is Network Adapters. You will press the arrow next to Network Adapters or double-click on it. Then a group of drivers will appear. The important one for us is the driver related to the manufacturer of the motherboard in my device, and usually it is the first option. After that, I will choose the first driver available and right-click on it. Then I will click Uninstall Device, which means removing the driver. After that, a confirmation message will appear asking to delete this driver, so I press Uninstall. Then we go to the first icon in the options, this one, and it usually contains the device name. We select it and right-click on it, then choose Scan for hardware changes. After that, the driver that I previously uninstalled will appear again. It will be the first driver available. We select the driver, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Then it will ask me how I want to update the driver, so I will choose Search Automatically for drivers. After that, it will tell me that the driver is already installed. This was the first method to solve the internet connection problem. If the first method did not work for you, stay with us for the second method. In the second method, we will fix a setting that might be related to the Wi-Fi malfunction on the device, or that it is not working properly. We go to Start. After that, we choose Settings. Then System. And then go to Power and Sleep. After that, we choose Additional Power Settings. The settings interface will open. We select Change Plan Settings. Then choose Change Advanced Power Settings. After that, this window will open. And we select Wireless Adapter Settings. After that, I will choose Power Saving Mode. What matters to me here is On Battery. I will select the option there and several choices will appear. I will click the arrow and then choose Maximum Performance. After that, I press Apply and then OK. In the third method, we go to the network icon on the device, the one related to the network. I will find it showing Not Connected. I right-click on it and then choose Troubleshoot Problems. It will ask me to specify whether the problem is with the card, whether it is Ethernet, which is the connection cable, or Wi-Fi, or something else. We will choose All Network Adapters and then press Next. In this case, if there is any problem, it may fix it automatically without any intervention from me. Of course, I need to wait until it finishes searching or detecting the problems in the card. After that, it might tell me that troubleshooting could not identify the problem. In that case, I press Close the troubleshooter. Sometimes the troubleshooter can detect the problem and fix it. The last method, which I think is generally good and most users benefit from, is that I go to the network icon, right-click on it, and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. After that, we go to the last option, which is Network Reset. Then I press Reset Now. After that, it will ask me if I am sure I want to reset the network. I will press Yes. Then it will show that Windows will shut down the device within 5 minutes. I press Close, then go to Start and select Power. Then I will restart the device. After the device turns on again, I will try to connect to the network again. And I believe that the 4 methods we mentioned in the video may help you, or at least one of them may solve your problem. And here, we have reached the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the new content.